Good morning. Today we'll be looking into the solution development using programming tools. To do that, we'll look into the automated learner mark system algorithm, and the reason is that teachers find it time-consuming to enter yearly marks and sometimes capture them incorrectly due to human error. And the solution is the algorithm which prompts and accepts student marks and applies the correct weight and calculate the final percentage and the final mark, and then automatically grade the CAPS achievement level. Let's look at our flowchart on how this can be done. A teacher can go and prompt this algorithm, and then it will set the total weight to 0, and then prompt assignment 1 marks, and then do a check if what is entered is an integer and it's between 0 and 100. If not, it will go back and prompt again. However, if that is correct or those conditions are met, it will count and display assignment 1 contribution, then prompt assignment 2, and then do the same checks. And then if those are met, it will calculate contribution for assignment 2, and then prompt exam mark and do the same checks again. If all of them are entered correctly, at last it will count and display exam mark contribution and calculate the final mark using a loop. Now, using the selection structure, it will check the final mark. If it's greater or equals to 80%, then it will allocate an outstanding achievement according to the CAPS achievement level, which is level 7, or level 6 if it's greater or equals to 70%. And then if no, then it will go and says the final mark greater or equals to 60%, and then allocate a level 5, and so forth up until it's a level 1, which is not achieved. Once that is done, it will display the final mark and display the learner achievement level, and then stop. To just showcase this a bit, we'll look into how the program actually runs. So first, it will prompt assignment 1, which the learner did a 40%, and then it will say it's a 12 contribution, and then the learner does a 60%, which is an 18 contribution, and maybe the learner here gets 86 on their exam, and then which brings us to a 64% at the final. So it will show here and say CAPS achievement level, which is the level 5, is a substantial achievement according to the CAPS achievement level. Thank you for watching. And this is some of the ways that we can use solution developments into solving our daily lives.